Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. The Doge chart has dipped obviously over the last few days back into our support region here between 20 cents and 21 cents. So support is still holding here, yeah, in this potential B wave here, yeah. But obviously, as I said, as soon as we break below 20 cents, the structure is starting to break down. What appeared to be a nice upside reversal pattern from the Friday low broke down again, but we haven't really broken down. We just dipped back into support. It could have already taken off here, but it was a news-driven event there on Friday, so it was a bit, we haven't even broken out above any previous swing highs. So as always, when we get a first upside reversal pattern, then the pullback afterwards is always going to tell us the truth. It couldn't hold a higher low, but hasn't broken any support in the process. So now we tested again the 20 to 21 cent area, and we see an upside reaction. Now, is this going to be something meaningful? I think the next 24 hours, 48 hours should tell us more, because we currently have a bounce. I don't trust this bounce. This is not strong enough yet. When will we get further signals and indications that a more substantial low has finally formed? And to be honest, it's about time, because this is already a healthy looking corrective pullback, which looks complete. But yeah, we need to see, I would say, break above these previous swing highs here in the area around 24 to 24.5 cents. Getting above these levels will be absolute key, above our green signal line here. And then the next objective for the bulls will be a break above this A-wave high here at around 25.6 cents. Now, this move up, best I can tell, it is only a 3-wave move up, but you see it's quite choppy, quite messy, even though I'm already on Binance. It certainly doesn't look yet like a 5-wave advance. So what we want to see is 5 waves up, 3 waves down. This would be further evidence that a low has indeed formed. Yeah, let's say, looking at that, it's kind of promising, but it's not constructive enough, this move to the upside from the low, to really get all euphoric about it. It could handle technically another low, but below 20 cents, this B wave is going to be too deep to be clearly reliable. Then anything immediately bullish is likely going to become less likely. In that case, then the price is likely resetting and extending the wave 2 that presumably bottomed in August there. So this is what we would watch for in an alternative scenario. I mean, if that's happened, it wouldn't be ideal, but that would be one more chance for the bulls to take a lead. I would label that for now alternative wave 2. Cannot rule it out, but yeah, as you can see, this pullback wasn't too deep, so it could easily extend. The reason why the yellow count remains primary is because the move up from the August low appears to be a 5-wave advance. So generally that tells me that the market is trying to move up at least. The pullback looks like a 3-wave move. So again, it kind of confirms that bullish perspective. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. You might have heard some of you guys have approached me about the Bybit trading competition. Registration ends in 11 hours, basically. You can register. We're trying to form a squad. Some members asked me, so I kind of slept on it, so it's quite late. Unfortunately, a bit last minute. But if you want to participate, feel free to join. The link is in the description. I think it's one of the largest crypto trading events in the world. Not in the world, in the world. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.